Zee Entertainment Q3 FY26 results, subscription growth offsets ad slowdown, ZEE5 turns profitable. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited delivered a resilient operational performance in Q3 FY26, navigating a challenging advertising environment while maintaining revenue growth and improving sequential profitability. The company reported operating revenue of 22,801 million rupees, marking a 15% year-on-year increase and a 16% quarter-on-quarter growth, reflecting strength in diversified revenue streams beyond traditional advertising. While advertising revenues remained under pressure due to muted FMCG spending and a soft macro environment, subscription revenues continued to show steady growth. This was supported by increased digital consumption, pricing interventions, and stable distribution partnerships. A key highlight for the quarter was the sharp rise in other sales and services, which recorded a substantial 579% year-on-year growth, driven primarily by monetization of distribution rights for two successful movie titles. This demonstrates Zee's ability to unlock value from its content library and reduce dependence on cyclical ad revenues. From a profitability standpoint, EBITDA for Q3 FY26 stood at 2,405 million rupees, reflecting a 24% year-on-year decline. However, sequentially, EBITDA improved sharply by 64% compared to Q2 FY26, indicating effective cost control and operating leverage as revenues recovered. Profit after tax came in at 1,548 million rupees, marginally lower by 5% on a year-on-year basis, but showing a strong 102% quarter-on-quarter recovery, signaling a meaningful turnaround within the fiscal year. Expenditure for the quarter increased by 23% year-on-year to 20,396 million rupees. This rise was largely strategic, driven by higher programming costs, acquisition of movie rights, and scheduling changes related to ILT20 league matches. Management has indicated that these investments are focused on strengthening content depth and long-term viewer engagement rather than short-term margin optimization. A major structural positive in Q3 FY26 was the digital business, ZEE5, achieving positive EBITDA of 564 million rupees. This marks a critical milestone, with EBITDA losses reducing by over 1,900 million rupees year-on-year. ZEE5 revenues grew 73% year-on-year during the quarter to 4,180 million rupees, supported by strong content performance and improved monetization efficiency. For the 9-month period, digital losses reduced by more than 90%, reinforcing confidence in ZEE5's sustainable business model. In the linear television segment, Zee's domestic network market share improved by 60 basis points year-on-year to 17.5%. Growth was driven by strong performance across Hindi and regional channels, supported by successful content launches in multiple languages. This underlines the company's continued strength in regional storytelling and mass-market entertainment. The music business under Z Music Co. also contributed positively, adding over 2.3 million YouTube subscribers during the quarter and taking the total subscriber base to approximately 175 million. This further enhances Zee's digital ecosystem and recurring monetization potential. From a balance sheet perspective, Zee Entertainment remains financially stable with cash and cash equivalents of 21.8 billion rupees as of December 2025. The company continues to reduce content inventory, which declined by 1.2 billion rupees during the 9-month period, reflecting disciplined capital allocation and improved content lifecycle management. On the ESG front, Zee achieved an S&P Global ESG score of 51, placing it in the top 5% globally within the media and entertainment sector. Initiatives across energy efficiency, employee training, governance practices, and supplier ESG assessments reinforce the company's long-term sustainability focus. In summary, Zee Entertainment's Q3 FY26 performance highlights strategic resilience. While advertising headwinds persist, strong subscription growth, successful content monetization, digital profitability at ZEE5, and a healthy balance sheet position the company well for gradual margin recovery and long-term value creation. Investors will closely track advertising recovery, digital scalability, and cost discipline in the coming quarters. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.